Value yourself. Here is a wonderful story that explains how value of life changes in different places. This will help you understand some few things about how worthy and priceless you actually are. Value yourself. Inspirational story. A man went to God and asked, "What's the value of life?" God gave him one stone and said, "Find out the value of the stone, but don't sell it." The man took the stone to an orange seller and asked him what its cost would be. The orange seller saw the shiny stone and said, "You can take 12 oranges and give me the stone." The man apologized and said that the God has asked him not to sell it. He went ahead and found a vegetable seller. What could be the value of this stone? He asked the vegetable seller. The seller saw the shiny stone and said, "Take 1 sack of potatoes and give me the stone." The man again apologized and said he can't sell it. Further ahead, he went into a jewelry shop and asked the value of the stone. The jeweler saw the stone under a lens and said, "I'll give you 50 lakhs for this stone." When the man shook his head, the jeweler said, all right, take 2 crores, but give me the stone." The man explained that he can't sell the stone. Further ahead, the man saw a precious stones shop and asked the seller the value of the stone. When the precious stones seller saw the big ruby, he laid down a red cloth and put the ruby on it. Then he walked in circles around the ruby and bent down and touched his head in front of the ruby. "From where did you bring this priceless ruby from?" he asked. "Even if I sell the whole world and my life, I won't be able to purchase this priceless stone." Stunned and confused, the man returned to the God and told him what had happened. "Now tell me, what is the value of life, God?" God said, "The answers you got from the orange seller, the vegetable seller, the jeweler and the precious stones seller explain the value of our life. You may be a precious stone, even priceless, but people may value you based on their level of information, their belief in you, their motive behind entertaining you, their ambition, and their risk-taking ability. But don't fear, you will surely find someone who will discern your true value. In the eyes of God, you are very, very precious. Respect yourself. You are unique. No one can replace you. Respect yourself. Don't undermine yourself. You are unique. No one can replace you." Moral of the Ruby Stone story. We need to be placed ourselves in the correct place to get maximum value out of our life. One is often so busy doing life that it is easy to avoid evaluating whether you are putting your energy in the direction you value most. Deborah Day. No matter how costly you think you are, you will not be priced more than what the other person can afford. By that I mean, never blame anyone for taking you cheaply. In every failed expectation in a relationship, a large chunk of the blame usually goes to the person who feels she is the victim.